Welcome to Harajuku Station. The station down that way has been renewed. It still looks like the old style. So we're just gonna have a little ride through here. While the businesses aren't open yet, it's not business hours, it is a lot quieter than normal. So I just wanted to show everyone what Japan looks like now. Here we go. I got here a little bit early to cool down. It's kind of a perfect opportunity. Change the gears. Wendy's. Always the t-shirts. Shops people have been to if you visited here before. It's getting a little bit more commercial as the years go by. Something's popping up here. You've got the famous crepe shops here. One has moved. Famous shrine to do with ninjas, and there's a torpedo statue as well. The crepe shop. I remember coming here when I was 15, so wow, more than 25 years ago. I bought some sunglasses and some cool stuff. Still pretty popular for young folk. Oh, there we go. The good old Thousand and Sunnies. 40mm tires today, doing a good job. And at 9 o'clock in the morning, it's 34 degrees. A lot of fast food, a lot of brands targeted towards teenagers. Some things don't translate, do they?